Sarah the Gardener and welcome to autumn. Here in New Zealand, autumn starts on the 1st of March if you go by the meteorological calendar. So it has been a very, very hot summer. So hot, I even managed to fry some eggs over there. No heating other than the sun coming down. And yeah, so it has been a hot summer. I am really looking forward to the cool of autumn. It's my favourite month. But one of the sad things that you do with autumn is you start to take down the tired and weary summer crops. And well, there's a lot of sad and weary summer crops. The first thing I did take down on the start of autumn was the melons. So, I mean, I've had a good harvest of melons. We've been eating them. One of the things that was a bit disappointing is one of the melons, I had sugar baby and I had rock melon. I was hoping for honeydew, but my seedlings didn't come up. So what I ended up doing was I went to the garden centre, but by the time I got there, I forgot what I needed, and I ended up coming home with another rock melon. So we had rock melon, sugar baby, and we had gold in gold, which is actually supposed to be a yellow skin. But due to a quirk of nature, what happened is it didn't do what it was supposed to do, and it was green on the outside and but delicious and yellow on the inside. So, they're so sweet, so juicy, so delicious. But I have loads of them. So I'm going to try and figure out what I need to do in order to preserve them as long as possible. Otherwise, I will be giving them away to any unsuspecting visitor who comes to our place over the next wee while. Here, please take a watermelon, which I think will be gratefully received because they're actually really expensive in the stores. So what I did is I took down the melons and their trellis and then got rid of all trace of them. The beds were quite windswept because it's straight in from the gate. It's the first row as you come into the garden, and so that gets hammered by the wind a lot. And one minute they were looking gorgeous and the next minute they were wind burnt, and it just all went downhill from there. So once the bed was clear, I went and got some blood and bone to give some nutrients back to the soil after a season of hard working. It's been all the cats stealing some of that blood and bone. And I worked it into the soil and just got that all incorporated so it's not too concentrated. So I got some mustard seed cover crop and just distributed it across the bed. I love this little Gardena spreader, it makes it so much fun. So I spread the seeds and then just raked them over so they had good contact with the soil. And so it's going to be a green manure that'll give back organic material to the soil. It's a nice way to grow a cover crop. Give it a good old damp watering with the hose so that it's all in connection. I put the irrigation back in place so I'll be able to water it with the turn of a tap. So there you have it. Oh my gosh, autumn is underway. The beds are being cleared. I don't know, the next one I think might be the sweet corn. The corn's long been harvested, but I've kept the stalks up there. And I also have some really exciting projects in mind for the autumn and into the winter. Some of them are short-term projects and some of them are going to take quite some time, but I'm there for the long haul. And so there you have it, my garden at the start of autumn. And hopefully I will carry on as I mean to go on and bring you with me. If you have missed seeing my videos, I actually have a really good Facebook page. You can find me on Instagram, just look for Sarah the Gardener. And I've started a podcast. So it's just a 5-minute chit chat with Sarah the Gardener, and you can find that on Spotify or wherever you like to listen to your favourite podcasts. It's just a little bit of wittering, only 5 minutes, won't take much of your time. And so so I'm all over social media. I still do my blog. So please check me out and join me in the garden this autumn. I'd love to have you join me and share what's going on. So thanks so much for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.